Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. A little tricky to talk about though, because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader or flipper and you bought there or you bought there and your plan was to buy and sell within, 15 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the bigger picture point of view, then sure, there was a big pullback from these highs, but overall, there is still an opportunity for the price to build a higher base. And as long as there's higher bases being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into it. And the reason why I would still call the overall chart bullish is because of this level down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.83. And I'm not saying this will occur, but this will help kind of illustrate the point. But let's say that the price does come down to this 283 mark, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd actually have some lows right there, and then you'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, big picture-wise, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. In this situation, right around that 283 mark is going to be the quote-unquote progress point. Again, I'm well aware if you are some sort of flipper, day trader, scalper, and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back some, but stop and think about that word, today. As in 1 day, looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to build an overall higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.